Exercise 1.4, question 6. A intersection B. Intersection means common in both. So what is common in both? 7, 9 and 11. Then we have B intersection C. B intersection C, again common thing. In B intersection C, we have 11 and 13 as common. Then A intersection C intersection D, common in A, C and D. There is nothing common in A, C and D because in A and C 11 is common, but in C and D 15 is common. So 11 and 15, nothing is common in both. So A and C and D, in these three nothing is common. Common means that element should be present in all the three sets. So there is no element which is present in all the three sets. Then we have A intersection C. A intersection C 11, because 11 is present both in A as well as in C. Then we have B intersection C, B intersection D. B intersection D is 5 because nothing is common in B and D. Then we have A intersection B union C. So for that, let us first find B union C. What is B union C? 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Union means we need to write all the elements which are there in B and C. Now B union C intersection with A. So what is common in these two? 7, 9, 11 and 7, 9, 11. So we have to write this 7, 9 and 11. Then we have A intersection D. There is nothing common in A and D. So 5. A intersection B union D. So for that again we will find B union D first. Now B union D will be 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. Now its intersection with A will be again 7, 9, 11. So we have A intersection B union D as this. Now A intersection B union C. Now what is A intersection B? We have found here A intersection B is 7, 9, 11. And what is B union D? We have to find A intersection B union C. Now what is B union C? Union of these two, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Here we have found B union C. Now their intersection. What is their intersection? Again 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11 is their intersection. Now A union D intersection B union C. A union D. What is A union D? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15 and 17. Their intersection with B union C. B union C will be 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So what is their intersection? Their intersection is 7, 9, 11 and 15. 7, 9, 11 and 15 will be the intersection of A union D and B union C. So we have to do stepwise. Now question 7, X is a natural number. So natural number, first of all let us write it in roster form. Natural number will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. X is an even natural number. Even natural number 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. X is an odd natural number 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and X is a prime number. So it will be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Now we have to find all these. A intersection B. Now you can see that from these two, which is the smaller set? Intersection will always be the smaller set. Smaller set is B and B is containing in A. We know that B contain in A because the elements which are there in B, 2, 4, 6, 8 are all there in A as well. So B contain in A, so their intersection will be the smaller set. Or you can see like this also. What will be their intersection? 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So their intersection will be set B. That is all even natural number. Then A intersection C, again the same thing, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 will be common. So this will be C. Then A intersection D, again all prime numbers. So D will be common because in A we have all the numbers and in D we have only prime numbers. So common will be all these prime numbers. Now B intersection C, there is nothing common in B intersection C because B is even number, C is odd number. So this will be 5. Then we have B intersection D. B intersection D, even natural number and this is a prime number. So only 2 will be common because all other prime numbers are odd. So only 2 is common. 2 is the only even prime number. Now C intersection D. In C intersection D, except 2, all odd numbers are common, like this. So x is a prime number, so we can write x is the odd prime number because 2 is not common, otherwise 3, 5, 7, 11 will be there in odd numbers, 13 will be there in odd numbers, so all are common. So we can write here as x is an odd prime number, or we can write like this also, all prime numbers except 2, all prime numbers except 2. We can write like this also. Then we have question number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. What we need to do in question number 8, we have to tell which of the following pairs are disjoint. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the other one is natural number which is between 4 to x. It is given like this in the question, that it is a natural number from 4 to 6. So this will be 4, 5, 6. So we have to tell whether they are disjoint. No, they are not disjoint because 4 is common. Disjoint set means when nothing is common. So we will write here, no, they are not disjoint. We will write not disjoint. Are these disjoint? No, these are not disjoint because E is common in both. Not disjoint. X is an even integer, x is an odd integer. Yes, they are disjoint because even integers will not be there in odd integer set. So this is disjoint. So these are disjoint because there will nothing common between odd and even numbers. Then we have next question, question number 9. In question number 9, A, B, C, D are given. I have to find A minus B, A minus C, A minus D and all. Minus means I have to remove the elements of B from set A. I have to write all the elements of set A except the elements of B which are there in B. Like here in A, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 is there. Which element of B is there in A? Only 12 is there. So I have to remove this element from A and write A like this. 3, 6, 9. 12 is there. 4, 8 are not there. We don't bother about these other elements. In A, I have to remove the elements of B. So in A, only 12 is there which is there in B. So I have to remove that. So I will remove 12 and I will write 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. Likewise, we can do all other elements. A minus C will be 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. From A, I have removed the element of C, which was the elements of C which are there in A. It was 6 and 12. So I have removed 6 and 12 from A and I have written all other elements 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. Likewise, we can do all other, like A minus D will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. Then B minus A will be 4, 8, 16, 20. Then C minus A will be 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16. Then D minus A will be 5, 10, 20. Then we have B minus C. B minus C will be 20. From B, I have removed the elements of C. All are there except 20. So I have removed all the elements. Then B minus D will be 4, 8, 12 and 16. C minus B is 2, 6, 10, 14. D minus B is 5, 10, 15. C minus D is 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14 and 16. Then I have D minus C. From D, I have to remove the elements of C. So which is there? Only 10 is there in C. So we will write 5, 15, 20. Like this we can find the subtraction of two sets. Then we have question number 10. X and Y are given to us. Then we have to find x minus y, y minus x and x intersection y. X minus y. It means from x I have to remove the elements of y. In y and x I have b and d, b and d. So from x I have to remove b and d. So I will write a. Now y minus x, from y I have to remove a, b and d. So we will get f comma g. Now what is their intersection? Intersection is b comma d. Now question number 11, they are saying if R is the set of real numbers, now R is the set of real numbers and Q is the set of rational number. Q is the set of rational numbers, right? So then what is R minus Q? What is R minus Q? Now we know that what is real numbers. Real numbers are rational plus irrational numbers. This is rational number and this is irrational number. So from real number, if I will remove rational number, what will be left? Irrational numbers will be left. So R minus Q will be set of irrational numbers. We will write R minus Q will be set of irrational numbers. Then we have question number 12, which is very easy. We have to say which is true or false. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint set. It is false. Why? Because they are not disjoint, because 3 is common, as 3 is common. So like that we have to justify our answer as well. It is written that we have to justify our answer. A, E, I, U, A, B, C, D are disjoint set? No, because A is common in both. So false, as A is common in both. Then these are disjoint set. 2, 4, 10, 14, 3, 7, 11. Yes, they are disjoint because nothing is common. So this will be true. Then 2, 6, 10 and 3, 7, 11 are disjoint set. Yes, this is also true because nothing is common.